Want to try out the question sticker feature for Instagram stories but not sure how it works? I'm Jessica, and in this video I'll show you how to use the Instagram story question sticker to ask and answer questions. Now let's get started to ask a question on your Instagram story and get answers from your followers. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus sign at the bottom. Then select Story. Create a story post by snapping a new photo or a video, uploading one from your camera roll, or use the Create option to have a colored background. Then tap the sticker icon at the top, select questions, then tap the sticker to customize it. You can either type in a question for your followers to answer, or if you like, you can invite them to ask you questions. Viewers can respond with text and images in their submissions. Change the color of your question sticker by tapping the color dot at the top. When you're done customizing the sticker, tap Done. You can slide the sticker to place it anywhere you like on your story. But keep in mind, if it's placed too close to one of the sides, you run the risk of viewers accidentally tapping to the next story rather than tapping the sticker when you're finished creating your story. Tap of your story to post it when people view your story. They can tap the sticker to submit an answer to your question or ask you questions. You'll be able to see all sticker reply submissions by swiping up on your story post. You'll also be notified each time someone replies to your sticker. You can see who submitted each reply. If you'd like to reply to a submission privately, you can send the user a private message. If you'd like to reply on your story, you can attach the reply to a new story post as a sticker. Their name will not be shown if you share the reply on your story, but they will be notified that you've posted a response to respond to a question sticker posted by someone else. Tap the sticker on their story post. Then enter your reply. If you want to add a photo, tap the camera icon to share an image as your response. When you're done, tap Send to send off your response. If this user shares your response on their story, you'll get a notification. That's all it takes to use the question sticker for Instagram stories. Another fun sticker for stories is the frame sticker. Check out our tutorial on how to use the frame sticker. Next, click the video on your screen now. To watch, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. And subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.